this, it will be like मजा आ गया. So
हाँ जी, क्या हाल चाल. वेलकम टू द चैनल टेलर्स इनसाइड. समझ गए? Yes. In this video we will see how to take performance of an auxiliary engine. We will see both how to take P compression and then how to take P ignition. So let's start the video.
So guys, for taking the performance for generator number 3, we will start the generator on ideal mode. So we will put here semi, and then now we will start the generator. So you can hear the sound that the generator has started, and the frequency has gone up to 60 Hertz. So now we will wait for 4 to 5 minutes till the lube oil temperature is a little bit warm up. We will go to the generator panel, generator number 3, and we will wait for the lube oil temperature to reach 50-51 degrees, and then we will go down and we will take P compression, that is without fuel. So before going down to the auxiliary engine number 3, I will tell you a bit about this pressure measuring device. So this device need to be mounted on the indicator cock, and after mounting it we have to close this valve slightly, not too much. Close this one, and then we will close this venting. This is the venting. Normally this is open, so close this venting and then open the indicator valve, and then the reading will be displayed on this pressure gauge. So now we will go down, we will take the P compression, that is without fuel. So guys, P compression has been taken, that is without fuel and without load. So now we will close the breaker, and then we will take the P max, that is P ignition. So now we will close the breaker. Okay, the breaker has been closed, and now it will start taking the load from number 2 generator, and the load will be transferred to the number 3 generator. One small thing to tell you, that number 2 generator is smaller in size as compared to number 3. That's why there will be the difference in load. So after 1 and 2 minutes I will stop number 2, so that the entire load is being shifted to number 3 generator. The number 2 generator has been stopped and the entire load has been taken by the number 3 generator. And here you can see the load is not enough to take performance at 75%. So what we have to do, we have to start the additional pumps. So what I will do, I will start the additional LT cooling water pump. Number 1 is already running, so I will start number 2. Put on manual and start. And I will start one more seawater pump. So number 1 is already running, so I will start number 1. Water pump is also running, so to the addition of this we will start one fire pump also to increase the load. So this is the fire bilge pump, so we will start this. And now we will check the load. Okay, very good. The load is around now 1450. And now we will start the cargo hold fans to reach the 75% of load. So guys, now I am in the ship office. The load was not enough to take the performance, the 75% of the total kilowatt. So I have started few of the cargo hold fans, supply and exhausts to increase the load. Compressor area. Now I will start the compressor manually. And now I will open the drain to make sure that the compressor should not stop while I am taking the performance. So guys, the job has been done. All the additional load, the additional seawater pump, LT cooling water pump, fire NGS pump, cargo hold fans, air compressor, all have been stopped, and now the generator is running with the normal sea-going load. So that's it. I hope it would be helpful for you. Also, I have attached the notes for you guys for your study purpose. So that's it.
Take care, all the best.
So guys, these are the useful notes prepared by me. You can pause the video and you can note down the points. So auxiliary engine performance, when to do it, why to do it, what is Pcom, what its significance, what is Pmax, what its significance, what is the procedure step by step. In total we have 8 steps, and then this is the actual form from our ship, the values which was recorded during the performance for Pmax, Pignition, and the different parameters of pressure and temperature. This is a bar chart. Then this is the flow chart for the troubleshooting. Then we have troubleshooting for the high exhaust gas temperature. Then we have interpretation, and in the end you will find my practical experience from my previous ship, how to troubleshoot high exhaust gas temperature. So that's it guys from this video. Thank you for watching. Take care and all the best.